one apple, can you count one? Two kittens, let's count together two. Three birds, can you count three? One, two, three. Four balloons, count them with me. One, two, three, four. Five stars, let's count. One, two, three, four, five. Six puppies, count them with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. Seven cupcakes, can you count to seven? One, seven. Eight balloons, let's count. One, two, eight. Nine fish, count them together. One, nine. 10 friends, let's count to 10 together. One.